Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is an interesting macrame bag. To make this bag, you just need to use a few basic knots and about 91 meters of 3mm cotton cord. So it's super easy for beginners to follow and practice. The width of the bag is 21 centimeters and the length is 20 centimeters. Let's get started. You cut the cords like I share in the screen. First step, you use 2 cords, 2 meters long, and tie for lark's head knots to attach them on the wooden dowel. 2 lark's head knot for each side. The distance between the knots on one side and the other side is about 20 to 22 centimeters. Please note, keep the length of the cords on both sides equal. Sorry I didn't pay attention, made the ends of the cords unequal. I fixed it later. Second step, you use 24 cords, 3.6 meters long, then you fold them in half and attach them in turn by tying the lark's head knots. Next, you tie square knots with the newly added cords. Please kindly note, with the second row, the square knots is staggered with the knots of the first row. Repeat the process until you have a total 50 rows of the square knots. Next step, you tie 8 square knots under each square knot to make 12 columns. Do the same with the remaining cords. When you complete all square knot columns, you take the first column to connect to the third column. The second column to connect to the fifth column. Repeat the process with the remaining columns. Next, you untie the hanging cords off the wooden dowel. And you use these two cords of the sides to connect the edges together. First, you pass one cord through the square knot. Do the same with this side. Next, you cross the cords and pass them through the space between the square knots of the edges. Do the same with the other side. Then you pull these cords to the inside of the bag. Tie them to fix and cut off the excess cords. Last step, you tie barrel knots. Cut off the excess cords and then you repeat the process with the remaining cords. And finally, you use a chain to hook on both sides of the bag so you have completed a beautiful bag. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please a quick like and comment really does help me out. I also made many macrame tutorials before. You can check them out in my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to update new videos as soon as possible. See you next week.